Okay, let's move to last couple. A current of 5 amps is turned on for 60 seconds. How much charge flows? Again, it's one that you need to remember. Current is charge, which is Q, divided by T. So if we rearrange that, then Q is I current times T. And current has to be in amps, time has to be in seconds, Q is coulombs. So we have 5 amps times 60 seconds, which is, I think that's 300, isn't it? 5 times 60, 300. And that must be coulombs. So our answer is D. Right, 15. Student investigates diode. She wants to know how current through a diode changes as the PD across it changes. So she's going to have to measure current through the diode and PD across. Now, across means that you put the connections either side of something. Current measured through means you have to put the ammeter in the way of the diode in the circuit, so in series. So we are looking for things that measure that. She uses this circuit. What do the things do? Well, we want to measure the PD across the diode. Let's recognize the symbol. Well, that's the symbol for the diode. It's the one direction symbol almost. Okay, because a diode only lets current flow in one direction. That's the diode. To measure the voltage across it, the PD across it, we have to connect a voltmeter across it like that. So this one Y must be the voltmeter. Okay, so the voltmeter must be the one that is, well, the only one that works is actually this one. Let's see if it's that one. Okay, it measures the PD. Now, the current, we have to measure the current going through the diode. So we have to put an ammeter in line with the diode. Okay, so here's the line of the diode. In series with that, we have Z. That's going to measure the current. So Z must be the ammeter to measure the current. So let's go Z measures the current. It could be that one, it could be that one. But actually, it fits with this one. Okay, well, part X is actually a variable potential divider. It's called a potentiometer. It's a variable resistor with 2 N terminals and 1 terminal in the middle that can slide up and down. And it can vary the potential difference. But we don't really need to have that because, well, we do need to have it, but we don't need to think about what it is because we've already picked the right row and this actually fits. It changes the potential difference. So just by looking at the voltage measuring device, which is the voltmeter, that must be the voltmeter, and that was why it measures the potential difference. So our answer is B.